Díoghuit agus fáilte arás. In this video we're going to take a look at 3 colourful phrases in the Irish language that certainly add a little bit of curiosity, humour and I guess confusion in some cases to this wonderful language. If you want to learn more Irish words and phrases, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and you can also hit the bell notification too, where you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So back to this then on some colourful Irish phrases. Let's start with the first one here. Sin rud atá ag dó na garbe agam. So that literally translates into, this is something that is burning the scab off me, or burning the scar off me, basically burning a hole in my skin, I suppose you could say. So this means that this is something that is worrying me greatly. So it's a wonderfully colourful and evocative way of saying you're very worried or very stressed. Sin rud atá ag dó na garbe agam. That is something that is worrying me greatly. Our next phrase is a way of saying that something is very obvious. Here it is. Chomhchínte is atá gob ar phríochán. As certain as a crow has a beak. That's what that literally translates into. Chomhchínte is atá gob ar phríochán. As certain or as obvious as a crow has a beak. So again, quite a colourful, quite a funny way of saying that you're stating the obvious. Our next phrase is Bhí ri fadra an dá cháis orm, and that means I had an awkward or unseemly run. So I was running in an awkward way or a unseemly fashion. Bhí ri fadra an dá cháis orm. It is probably trying to illustrate that a dog would run awkwardly if he had to balance 2 lumps of cheeses either side of his head, I suppose. So it's quite a colourful and evocative way of saying you had an awkward or unusual run. I'm really none the wiser as to where this originates from, so if any of you have any idea of where this phrase comes from, please let me know in the comment section below. So that brings us to the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. And of course, as always, feel free to let me know in the comment section some of your favourite phrases, colourful phrases, funny phrases, as gaeilge. And I'll see you soon with another video. Thanks a million. Slán go fóill.